Presentation, give control. All right. Just Jay, wanna start the training, wait for the others, or start it?
We'll go ahead and get started.
Okay.
How many participants
Mm,
do you have, Mohammed?
I think 7, 6 or 7.
Well, since it's recorded, let's start, and then they will catch up if they need to.
Yeah, we're gonna get started, and then we can always provide the recording that they can
Okay.
view at their leisure.
Okay.
Okay,
So I
great.
will start it. Okay. Uh, in this training, I want to cover the login to the website, upload the media, photo and images to the website, create a new post, edit and delete the post, and create a new event and edit and delete the event, add the image to the gallery page, and if we have a time, we can just a little just about the editing the page. All right. The first topic is the login to the website. For login to the website, we have a two-way. Let me show you. And I want to explain about this URL. I have created a new website. It's just for the test and practice. It's not a live. If you wanna test and practice something in the website, for example, you wanna create a post or create an event, you just can use this URL and user and password. And when you comfortable with everything, you can go to your website and create a post or event on there. All right.
Oh, sorry. So there's two websites. This is the sample one. That's the login for the sample.
Yeah, it's the sample website. Yeah. I will share you the presentation with you. Don't worry
Okay.
about it. I will send you the information.
Okay.
All right. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you first the website. Yeah, I just create a backup from the HS and Pickering chapters and paste here. It's the sample website. For login to the website, you can use this login button here, or you can just add the /wp-admin to the end of the URL. Both of them are going to the same page. It's for the login to the WordPress dashboard, and this one I have created this page for the login to the WordPress. It's the same. It's not different. All right. I use this username. Control C, Control V, and the password is here. Okay. Okay, it's the WordPress dashboard, or it's the backend of the website, and you can from here you can manage everything to the website. You can create a post, add the media, add the photo, PDF file, everything here, or you can add the event, edit the page and everything you can here. Just after login, you can do it here. Okay, the next topic is the upload media to the website. For this, just on the left menu here, you can just click on the main media here. Okay, and you go to this page and you can see all the images and everything already I uploaded to the website. You can see here. And for adding the new image, just click here at the new and select the file from your computer, or I think you can just select from the computer. Something I think previously we can add the URL, but it's not important. For the adding the images and PDF file on everything, you just add the new and select the file here, and then click the upload, and you can see the new image and end of the list here. Okay, and before the create a post or create an event, try to add the media first, then go to and create a post or create an event. All right. The next about how to create a post in the WordPress. I can hear my voice. Could you please mute yourself because I can hear my voice?
Is that me?
I don't know.
Yeah, can everyone please mute except for Mohammed, please? Thank you.
Thank you. What is the WordPress post? Posts are treated much like digital entries into the journal. Posts are displayed in chronological order with the most recent post at the top. And also, I have created a reference page. Let me show you what is that. Yes, hello. I think today my internet connection has a problem. All right. I have created this page, and under brand principle, we have a section. It's the education channel, and under this page, we have some tutorial here. In the future, you can use this, and I write here step by step how to create a post, how to edit that, how to create an event, and all of things about the WordPress is here. You can use this page for the future if you need that. All right. Okay, how to create a new post. For this, you just, from the left menu here, you just click the posts here. And then click the add a new from here. And the next step is you need to add the title here, the content here, and the other things I will show you. For example, yeah.
Hi, are we going to be doing posts on the website, or are they just going to be pages and updates?
For this training, yeah.
Okay.
You can just you can create a post, and also you can edit the page. I will show you how we can edit the page.
But in general, when we have the Congress website, are we going to be having posts on there? Like blog posts or anything like that, or we're going to be using pages?
Let me show you. Here, under all the chapters, you have a page newsletter. And when you publish a post, it shows here. Okay. All right. For add a new post, you should the title here. For example, I use the full text here. Title. And you should write the content on this section. Let me find the content. For example, I use this content. Right. And if you need to add the media or images to your post, just simply click on the add the media here. And you can choose every image and adding to your post, insert into the post. And if you want to edit your image, just click on the image and we have a tools here. It's the edit. You can add the link to the image, change the size, and also you can change the align. You can put down the center, right, and left. For example, it's not important. I just edit test and update. Oh, it's too big. This is large. It's better. Okay, so the first step is adding the title and writing the content and adding the images and everything. The next step is set the feature image. Is it important thing here? And I will show you how where this image showed. Let me show you. In this case, I want something different for the featured image. Okay. Just this image. Yeah. No, it's example is good. Okay. Set as a featured image. And after this, just click on the publish and your post is published. Let me show you. Right. Letter. Just give me a second. Okay. The feature image is here. When you add the feature image here, you can see here, and it's the if you forget to add the feature image, it's empty here, and it's not good. It's not related to into the post. And also the feature image show as a main image on the top, and then the title, content, and every images you added to the website. All right. Any question about adding a post? No. All right. Okay. The next topic is the how to edit post and also delete the post in the website. For this, just click the all post here, and you can see all posts here. For edit the post, you can also click on the name or also click on the edit here. And you can see the post, and for example, I just added some sample text here. And when your edit is finished, just click the update. That's it. And you can see the message here, post updated. And the updated text added here.
Do you also have to add publish, or is update enough?
Just updating. For the updating the post, just click the update. It's the post is published, and when you click the update, just update it and publish it. Okay. If you wanna remove the post, just click at the all posts here, and here we have a button trash, and it goes to the trash. And under the newsletter, it's the empty. We can't see any post here. Just for example, if you want to restore the deleted post, you can here just click the restore, and it goes back to the all posts here, but it's here as a draft, and you need to publish it again. Let me show you here. The button is publish, and when you click the publish, it's published on the website. It's here. Correct. Also on the reference page, we have a page for the how to edit the post, the WordPress. It's here, and I explain step by step how we can edit the post. Also, we have how to create a post. All right. The next topic is how to add a new event to the post. All right. The event, create a new event, it's very simple, and it's basically to the classic WordPress editor. The interface for adding an event to your site is very similar to the create a new post. Like a blog post. Each event can have a title and description. It's like the post. And also you can add additional information. Let me show you how you can add a new post to the website. After the login to the website, just go to the dashboard. From here, we have a tab m.e.calendar. This tab is for the managing the events. Just click on this tab and then click on add event here. Okay, it's the title and the content. It's the like the post. You just need to add a title, for example, event test. And I recommend to the just first add the event image, then add the content. I will tell you why I recommended this option. For example, in this case, first I want to add, for example, this event, right? And for editing the image, just click this edit tools here and set size to the large. Everything's fine. If your event has a link, for example, you create the event in the Eventbrite, and you have a link, and you wanna add the link to the image. Here, you just set on the custom URL here and paste your link here. Just and click the update. All right, and then add your content, everything you want, for example. Right. Okay, so the first step is add the title. The next step is add the image, then add the content. And like the post, you should set the feature image here. and it's important. Don't forget. And in this case, I set this image as a featured image. All right, everything is fine. And the next step is for the additional information you manage from here, date and time. You can set the start date from here. For example, for the end of the March, we have an event, the 2 p.m. and the end date. It's the same day. It's the end of the March at, for example, 5 p.m. If you check this all day event, you can't set the time, and it's complete disabled. So please ignore this option. Hide event type, ignore this. If you check this hide event time in the event page, you can't see the event time. And it's a start time and end time. You can see if you check this option, you can see the end time. And so please ignore this option and leave it like this. And the content method inherit is good. Ignore this option as well and ignore this one. All right, the next step is the event repeating. If you have an event and you want to repeat, for example, every week or every month, you can just check this option and you can select for your daily. If it's the weekly, you can choose the weekly option. It's the monthly, yearly, or for example, you have a event end of the March and you have this event on the middle of the April. In this case, you just select the custom days, and you can add a new day for that event. For example, it's the weekly and repeat for the one, and I just set the end repeat for the end of the April, but I should change it. All right, and the next tab is the event data. Ignore it because it's the plugin, and your plugin. If when the plugin was the pro, you can use this option. The hourly schedule. If your event has a hourly schedule, you can set the schedule here. Let me show you how you can. You just set the title here. For example, our event was from the 2 to 5. For example, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. I don't know, just use the sample. You can put your schedule here. And also you can do, for example, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah. The next step is the location. Already I set the CBWC location here. Also, you can set as a Google Meet or Zoom if your event is the virtual. The links, ignore event link here. If you put a link here, you can't see the event page. And when someone click on the event, is directly go to the link. So ignore the event link, and if you wanna add a link to your event, just use the more info here. For example, let me show you. I set the Eventbrite link here, and you can select the title, for example, event links here, and set this option as a new window because your user lost the current page. Organizer, I already added the CBWC. Okay, also you can add a new organizer. For example, if your event has a sponsor, you can add here. And the cost, if your event has a cost, you can set the cost here. I don't know. Right. Ignore the SEO. It's for me. And also on the event page, the user can write a comment. If you don't want the user write a comment, just uncheck this option. And after this, just simply click on the publish. Okay. The event publish. Let me. Okay. That image we put on the content area will be here. The date is here, time. It's the event link. We set from here links. And also it's the event link, it's the same. Both of them is the same. It's a content here. Also we have a countdown option here at the Google Calendar and to the Outlook report. If you check the allow comments, let me show you. The user can write a comment here. I recommend uncheck the allow comments. And when you publish the event under the event page, I think, yeah, it's the upcoming events. You can see the latest event is here. Yeah, it's a test event and it's here. If on this tab, the links, if you set an event link, when the user click on this card, it goes to the events link and the user can't see this page. So ignore this field and use the more info here. All right. Any question about adding the event? And also on the home page, when you publish the event, it shows the expiry. Let me yes, remove the others. Okay. When you publish the new event on the homepage, you can see it on the upcoming events section. You can see your event here. It's a homepage. All right. The next step here, also we have a reference page for the adding a new event. I explain step by step how you can add the new event to the page. It's here. Also, I have explained about the each tab for the additional information in the event. Okay. How to edit events in the WordPress. It's similar like the post. Just click the all events here. And if you want to edit the event, just click on the name or edit button. It's the same. You can just let me add the context here. And click on the update. The event is published and it's updated. Let me show you coming event. This one. Yeah, it's here. All right. Okay. The next way, how to add the image to the photo gallery. This section is a little tricky, but don't worry, I will show you how you can add the image to the photo gallery. Okay. Gallery is here. Also, we have a reference page for the adding the image to the photo gallery. All right. Okay. The first step is go to the photo gallery page, and after the login, you can see this top bar menu here. If you log out, you can't see this top bar menu. After the login and go to the photo gallery page, just click on the edit with the Elementor. Don't click on the edit page, just click on the edit with them, because the website is created but with the Elementor. Don't click on the edit page, just click on the edit with Elementor. And it's okay. Here you can edit the page, and this is the Elementor page builder. For example, I want to add the new image to our photo gallery. Just click on here. You can see the this blue button with the pin here. Just click here. And when I hover the mouse, you can see the edit filterable gallery. You can see for the edit each section, you just click on this button. And now you have access to this section from the left menu. Minimize the setting tab here. And click on the gallery items here, because we want to add the new items. All right, you can add the new item here, but I recommend the new way. Just click on the duplicate button here. When I click, you can see two images here, and then you can modify the new one. For example, I just change the content here. Yes, let me sample text here and change the image from here. Just click on the image and select your image. And before the adding the new image to the gallery, just upload your images from the media section. For example, I select this image and it's here. The image is added to the photo gallery page. So the first step is to click on the duplicate button here and modify the new duplicated item. I think it's the easiest way I found. For example, do and change the image. All right, and after that, you can't see the preview page. Just from here, you can see this I button here. It's the preview page. It's not published yet. If everything is okay, go back. Let me. Okay. Right. Go back to the page editor and click on the update green button here. And the page is updated. If you go to the URL, you can see the new images here with the content. If you want to delete the image from the gallery, just click on the edit with the Elementor. And then click on the blue button here and minimize the setting. Ignore this one, and just click on the gallery items. And if you click on the X button here, close button here, the last image is deleted. Or you want to edit, for example, this content is the second image. So you should open the item 2. And from here, you can edit the content. And from here, you can edit the image. Okay. All right. Any question? No. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I do have one question.
Yeah.
Are these set up as just a continuous stream of pictures, or are they groups of pictures?
You can. I can create a group of pictures here. But right now, it's when you add a new image, you can see on the end of the photo gallery here.
Okay. Okay.
But the Elementor has filterable controls. We can put, for example, event 1, event 2, I don't know. And when the user click on the button, just show the some images related to that. Yeah.
Okay.
Filter. Yeah, you can. Right now, you can just add the new image on the end of the images. And for the.
Is there any way, sorry.
Yeah.
Is there any way we can get instructions on how to do like a group? Because most of the chapters are going to want group, like a event pictures, not just.
Yes. Actually, for This because you should send me your request. For example, if you wanna two group, three group, everything you want, just send me. I added
Okay.
the group here, and I will tell you how you can add. For example, you want a new image to and just link it to the group one.
Okay.
And also we have a time, yeah, 20 minutes time. I can show you how you can edit the page. Maybe you need that. Also in the WordPress dashboard, if you wanna, let me close all the, leave here, close. Okay. If you wanna look at your website, just click here, visit the website. All right. For example, if you wanna edit the home page. Right now, you can just edit the text. Also, yeah, it's a good example, I think. For example, you wanna edit the servitor here, and you wanna change the image, and the name. It's the photo gallery editing. Just click on just go to that image, that page you wanna edit that, and click on the edit with the Elementor. Please don't click on the edit page. And scroll down to that section you wanna edit it. For example, I wanna change the image and change the name. Just click on this blue button here. And on the left menu, click on the image or click on the choose image here. For example, I set this image, insert media. And if you want to change the name, you want to change, for example, to the account. This case, you just click on the blue button here. And from the left menu, you can change the text here. And you can see the preview from here with this. Click on this I button here. Let me show you. Yeah, everything is okay. And go back to the editor page and click on the update. And the home page is updated. Let me show you. It's changed. For example, under the chapter history, you want to add a new text, or you want to change the text here, just go to the page, click on the edit with the Elementor. And for example, I want to change something here. Click on the blue button here and add or edit or delete your text here. If you want to change the images, click on the blue button here, change the image from here. Title, everything you can change. Just click on the blue button and edit from the left menu. All right. Any question about the editing page? Okay. And another thing, you can handle it in the after the everything you did on your website. At the end, click on the delete cache. Maybe the user, if you don't click on the delete cache, the user can't see your editing and everything you did on your website. Just simply click on the delete cache one time, and the cache of the website is deleted, and everything is updated on the user side. All right, any question? No? Okay. This training is finished. If you don't have any question,
Thank you, Mohammed. Really
no
appreciate it.
problem. No
Thank you,
problem.
Mohammed. So,
You're welcome.
Sorry,
my
I
name
do have
is.
one question. Sorry.
Yeah. Yes.
Quick question. Is there a standard setup or a branding package that was provided so that the people who are updating the website will update it according to like all be the same? Like
Okay,
what if
so
one person likes
I'll
to do
answer that
pictures?
question for you. As far
Okay.
as the website is concerned, no changes should be made to the layout of the website, the look and feel of the website. This is
Okay.
strictly content changes that we're suggesting that you make to the website. If there
Understood.
are any changes to be made that impacts the way the website looks and presents, that change has to come to us.
Right. So
Yeah.
what I meant was, for example, on the events, do you want a large picture or a small picture or a medium picture? Do you want the links on it? Do you want certain wording? Is there a
So
package that's going out to
that is
talk about?
yeah, that is an internal matter because the image depends on what the event is, right? We would like to see uniformity. And
Yeah,
so
that's
what we have selected as the size of the picture for the event may not be the size that you as an organization want to use. You may choose to use something smaller or something larger, but that's a matter of uniformity across the different chapter websites to maintain the brand look across the websites, all the pages. That's something that can be decided internally. We don't make those determinations in terms of size. The option exists for you to sort of make that as a standard practice. So what I recommend and will be recommended is that there is a standard practices handbook that's created internally that is passed on from one administrator, webmaster to the next, because as we all know, this is a volunteer sort of position or role, and so the tenders of this will be changed over time. One day
okay.
maybe one person, next day maybe someone else. So there has to be a practice manual that's in place in terms of maintaining the standard.
Okay, so you are working for Ciron, not for Congress.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
okay. All right.
Mhm. So we definitely will be talking more about what are some of the minimum requirements or some of the minimum practices that should be in place for website maintenance and sort of be able to sort of document that in a workbook or some sort of a checklist practice document that everyone adheres to when they make changes to the website.
So that is expected.
It won't be a free for all is what I'm saying.
Right. So that's expected to be in the plan that is given to us, that these are the size of the pictures that we expect to be put on. This is how
No,
we want.
that's something that you would determine as an organization. We don't make the
Okay,
determination for you. Mhm.
so that hasn't been given to you to put in the learning package.
No. So we won't be creating that package. The idea is that someone take leadership responsibility of the website maintenance and develop your internal process document. We will provide guidance. Yes, we will provide guidance and recommendations about how to maintain the website, but we will not be dictating size of images and because the system allows you to select, 4 different sizes. So it's going to be about what's appropriate and what works for your organization, because
Yeah.
all the sizes are appropriate and does work for the website. It's about how will they look and how do you want to present them and what type of images. I'll give you an example. Your image may be as simple as a photo of a flower, as an example, or your image may be as complex as a program for an event that includes pictures and words and all this different content on it. So all these are 2 very different images and presents very differently on the website. So now we have to look and say, okay, if it's an event image, what size and how are we going to be creating these event images? Because we don't get to create your event images, right? So we don't really know how that image is going to be looking before before it's placed on the website.
Yeah. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes. Yeah.
So what we will do is we'll provide best practices guidance.
Yeah.
But someone at CBWC will need to take the lead. I'm not sure if anyone has been designated as the lead for that sort of work in terms of putting it in place. It's the same as having sort of, a transition in plan or in its sort of continuity planning. It's the same idea.
Yeah. Yeah. Understood.
Okay.
Any questions? Any other questions about the training? Like Mohammed has shown, we do provide an online sort of library of how to save you, and it's specific to your website and the things that are built into your website, because we have ensure that your website has uniformity across all the different chapters. And so the information that's on the on our sort of learning page is designed to help you quickly make a change to whether it be a post, an event, or a page. There should be a lot less interference on the pages themselves. There should be more in terms of events and posts. I think you'll find. Go ahead.
Yeah, I had a quick question. Just in terms of us getting access to the back end of the website, is there a password? Is there a link that we would require?
As far as I understand, everyone has been provided that information. If you haven't received it, you will be receiving it.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem, no problem, no problem. Any other questions?
Sorry, one more. On the login, I was just thinking of that as you're speaking. When we get access to that, is it going to be access to all of the chapters?
Mohammed?
No, I have created just for each chapter, I create a editor admin, and you just access to your chapter. Yeah.
Perfect. I think I saw that email was sent out last week, right, Mohammed, with all the access information?
Yes, I sent it to the Mariska, yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay, that's it for me.
We're here to definitely answer any questions that you have. Do not hesitate to reach out to us if you have a question or concern about any part of what you may be doing or what you may be asked to do. We're here to provide guidance where necessary. Because we're doing this 1 hour sort of training session doesn't mean that we've sort of washed our hands of it and you're on your own. That's not what it means. We're just trying to get you acclimated to the environment so that you become comfortable in being able to go in and make those changes. And if you have any questions, definitely let us know. If you're not sure if you should be making a change, definitely let us know. If you're not sure, I'd rather you ask than make that change, and then we have to reverse that change.
Sorry, I have a quick question. will there be another session, or is it a repeat of this session?
There's only one session scheduled
Okay.
as far as I know right now. Is that correct, Mohammed?
Yeah,
Okay, great.
it's
Thanks.
correct.
Mhm. Yeah, we try to keep what you need to do very simple because we know that you're not web designers, right? And so the purpose of this is we built a system that is very easy to manage with the kind of changes that we anticipate you'll be making. So we try to keep it very simple. We build it in a manner that a change in one area does not affect adversely another area. So we try to make sure that the system is designed so that it is robust in that regard. So if something gets deleted or accidentally removed, we can certainly remediate that without too much problems, and it will not impact another chapter as well. Okay. Awesome. Well, I thank you all for your time. I really appreciate it. I know it's late in the evening, so if you have any other questions, I think you do have Mohammed's contact information. If not, Mariska can provide that, and we can definitely answer any other questions that you may have.
Thank you so much. This was very informative. Really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Welcome.
Have a great evening, everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks, Mohammed.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Have a
Thank
great
you.
evening.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye now.
Good night.